The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Very good morning to you, fellas. Albert, Deepak, Rich. Guys, good morning. Today is Thursday, St. Patrick's Day. It is March 17th. To all of you Irish folks, happy St. Patty's Day, fellas. Market's a little quiet today. I guess to be expected. We are, after a 2-day pretty intense rally. Morning, Dan. We are working off overbought. Market's down small. Currently, NASDAQ's down 57. ES is off 14. YM's down 100, 5, 7. EMD off 4 and Russell off 6.5. Let's see, 938 target, huh? Okay. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Yesterday was a phenomenal trade. The afternoon session in particular was utterly incredible. Incredible. Yeah, they Bank of England just raised quarter point. We've had a couple of bot trades today, guys. Trade number one on the NASDAQ, a long at 651. Target one only. Trade number two on the NASDAQ at 730, a short. Target one only. Bots are up small, $405. The runners got taken out of the trail. We currently have a short 757. We got a short in gold. So we'll see what we get with gold. So that would be our third bot trade of the day. The ES is not taking a trade today. Let me quickly read the disclaimer, and we'll go over charts. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for. If we get through VWAP, we're trading to 44 if you're long on NASDAQ. You're trading to 44. You got 900 and a half. All right. I'm officially bored. Looks like, Greg, we fast forward into August. Yeah, it has. Bump, bump, bump. Your longs, guys. Your longs NASDAQ. We're long ES as well. We're long. We're not short. I'm just looking for one guy to step in. 100, 200 block. Yesterday we had a block trade of 1100 on the NASDAQ. I'm in the ES. Come on, give me O2. If we get above VWAP, we're going to rip. Watch NASDAQ above VWAP. I'll take it long on a candle close above VWAP. The bot is going to fire a long on the NASDAQ right now. Right? Yeah, 5. $11.75. I mean, that would get us basically VWAP. It should get that first target. I like NASDAQ long, guys. I like ES long. It's just a slow, arduous grind. NASDAQ small negative delta, 750 contracts. ES has a positive delta. Whoop. Ken, I think so. I have a target at 14,001 and change, 172, I think I have. I think ES gets 44.20 today, give or take. There we go. Close above VWAP, I'll look long. NASDAQ and ES. But I got to get above VWAP. ES flirting with VWAP. Just give me a buyer. Come on. Next 15-minute bar in 5 seconds. So we're 15 minutes into the day. Relatively lethargic trade. All right, guys. There goes, NASDAQ. I'm going to take ES, long ES. First block buy. There's ES. Watch NASDAQ. Got the close on NASDAQ. I'm long NASDAQ. ES targets for me 44, 45. First target was hit on the bot. Target 1 filled ES. Target 1 filled ES. Meanwhile, NASDAQ is just still losing its mind. Come on, NASDAQ. You got them. We're longs, guys, with patience. Longs with patience. Here we go. 10 handle target hit on NASDAQ. There goes ES. Target on ES 4360 now. 4360. I'm going to take off this. I'm lagging, as you can see. I'm lagging. We're at 12. Ukraine's ready to continue diplomatic efforts. Come on, slug. Here is NASDAQ on the bot. Another winning trade with a runner. ES may fade a bit here. We traded up into a rising 68. 60 is my next target, guys. 59. All right, I'm out of this. Out of NASDAQ. I'm out of NASDAQ. Stop even on the ES. I'm out of NASDAQ. First target only. Winner, winner. We're longs, guys. We're not shorts. $21. Got a 20 buyer here just above VWAP. That's all I see. Long, we're longs, guys. It's patience, 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 patience. This is not like yesterday. It's longs with patience. You may want to trade smaller. I'll look for a long here above 18. Told you I like DS better. You've got an 1,100 plus contracts bought at 45 and a quarter. What's the news? I don't have any news. What's the news? Out on the ES. Long again, NASDAQ right now. This is where it's trying to go long. Support's going to be 875. 875. I'll try that long. NASDAQ. Call it 76. ES is still holding VWAP. Told you guys, ES is such an easier trade lately. No fill at 76. Now filled. You got about 3 seconds to bounce. Won't even go 10 handles. Come on. 10 handles filled. Another 10. Guys, I'm using an ATM, which I generally do not. Long ES again, back up to 448. 448 target ES. And then 60. Oh, shoot. I'm not hearing anything. Russell got target 1 long on the bot. No, ZB did not fill me at target 1. Did not fill me at target 1. It's at 26. My first target was 25. Did not fill me. Anybody take the bond short, guys? That was a bond short. Target 1 is 21.25. Traded as you see fit. It's 1 tick from target. ES 47.50 target 1 instead of 48. 47.50 target 1 instead of 48. And still no real buyers. I don't see, a string of buyer. Target 2 hit on RTY bot. There we go, fellas. Oh, it's holding for the day. If you guys want your money, take it. You got 47.25. You dog. Still like the longs, guys. But again, this could pull back, right? We're trading up into a rising 68. You order flow, guys, especially in the 5th group. I'm teaching you order flow while I'm trading. Pay attention to what I'm telling you. Bots are currently up 1560. 1560. If this should get to second target at 59 handles, right? That would be $1,200 trade, give or take. $1,200. I will shut my bots off. We're going up, guys. I don't have any doubts that we're going up. It's just a very lethargic. That's ZB. Got target 1. Thank you, Mac. Target 1 filled on ZB. Anybody that took it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 ticks. So you got 26 ticks on ZB. 26 ticks on ZB at 31.25. It's 812.50. Russell, all 3 targets hit on the bot. That's NASDAQ, you got almost 50 now you got 50 handles in this runner. Yeah, man. You got your target on ES. Target now. Anybody long ES? Is there anybody long the ES? NASDAQ's into resistance here. Bottom of the 10-minute cloud. Anybody? Okay. ES, we have to get through this swing high here at 50, but your next target is 60. Got to take this swing here, and your target becomes 60. Here's your targets for the day on the ES. Okay? You know I'm going to get them. 60, which is this trend line. It's only a 15-minute trend line. And then you're going to trade to 75. If we can get above 85, here becomes your targets. 404, 4435, 4490. I can keep going, but let's see if we can get one or two of these first. $1,500 runner, guys. All right, guys. Crackhead got second target. Okay? Crackhead got second target. Bots are up 3,015 bananas. You guys now have to say, is it worth continuing to trade the bots? Bots are up 8-9 grand this week. I'm shutting bots off. I am shutting bots off. We will go over bot trades at 11 o'clock. My bots are done and done. No losing trades on the bot again today. None. Okay? NASDAQ's trying to break out. It breaks out above 967. You could add into it about 970 if you want. Okay, Patrick. There goes your ES. 60's next target. NASDAQ back green, 10 points. ES flat on the day. YM down 37. EMD down 7 ticks. Russell up 6. Got almost 100 points here in the NASDAQ, fellas. You're 5 handles away from a 100-point runner. ES is going to take a long on the bot if you guys are interested. My bots are off. I'm done. $3,000 a day? We're good. 3,015. Here comes your 60 on ES. Come on, Mr. Vegas. At some point, it becomes all risk. We're above yesterday's close. Now we need to get to yesterday's high, 14,025.75. At your age, everything's a risk. Mine too. All right, so the ES bot would have taken a trade. Let's see how that pans out. I would bet money it'll get targets. But so again, my bots are off. Yeah, less yesterday and the day before too. I want to get to yesterday's high. That's my target. We're not going to break 14,023. Not on the first push. If we do break yesterday's high, the buyers will come in like banshees. All right, Todd, here comes your 60 on the ES. We're going to push this 15-minute trend line. That's all it is. Okay? On what, Greg? On indices? Yeah, I don't. I have longs. We could pull back on the NASDAQ to 955. I can hit close faster than it can sell. All right, Todd, nice job. Everybody good, fellas? There should be nobody that did not make money. So look, here's where our blocks finally started to come in. 78, 90, a 90, a 58. Still not. We traded up into a rising 95. We should get a small pullback down near 50 unless this thing finds a dump truck full of buyers to blow up through. We've got to get above 61, 62. And then you're going to trade 75. 61, 62, you trade 75. Pushing an hourly trend. Let me look at a 60-minute. We may have a 60-minute. I know we've got a 15. Yep, same. Hourly. Same trend line. Hourly and 15-minute. So this could be a little bit of a bear to get through. But once this is through, it's going to trade up into 75. Doubled your daily goal for the second day in a row. Nice job, Kirk. Hasta mañana, my friend. $59.50. Come on. It's going to push, guys. I promise you it's going through. 10,000 net buyers. We've got a great day going in the ES. NASDAQ back to a green delta. Come on, NASDAQ. Push into the day high. Let's go. Day high in the ES, fellas. There you go, Todd. Anybody else that's holding the ES? Day high. That's what we do, Albert. That's what we do, man. We're going to trade 4,400 today. Next target is 75 on the ES. 75. Welcome, Todd. All right, fellas. My work is done. Anybody holding NASDAQ? I'll sell 20. We are not going through long NASDAQ on the dog bark trade. Yeah, my dog said it's a buy. We are not going to get through 23, 24 on the first push. It would be an anomaly. It happens, but I don't see the momentum here to do it. Small positive delta of 275 contracts. That's it. Now, if we blow through yesterday's high, this sun gun's going to find buyers. They are going to torment these shorts for another few days. We can't even get through 14,010 yet. Let's try it, guys. We're just consolidating here below the highs, guys. It's good. It's good. NASDAQ's getting ready to make another move. Come on, NASDAQ, go get 20. Come on. I want that last $200. I want my $200. One more push, dog breath. Come on. Yeah, crapola. All right, guys, I'm out. No, not yet. I'm out. That's it. Done. Done. Everybody good? I'm not going to give up 30, 40 handle pullback to try to get the last 8 handles. So, good for me. ES is probably a short. If you want a small short in the ES back into 54, you'll get a small short 58 to 54. Gold quiet. Ooh, ES getting frisky. Something might be going. There might be news. NASDAQ's going to peel back, fellas. Still longs. Let it peel back. ES going to peel back. Should come back to 54. There it is. Oh, there it is. 54.75. The 68 moved up. All right, so where do we want to be long? What we need now is a pullback and bring these levels lower again and then go, right? Now, doesn't always happen. They could find buyers. You know, we have a bunch of buyers up here, 89, 63, 50, 53, 52, but there's no 58, 90, 90, and 78. I mean, there's no huge size, a 200 buyer, a 300 buyer, which is really unusual. Just going to get coffee, guys. Sit tight. If you took the 40 long on NASDAQ, first target was 61 and hit it. And don't be obstinate for a couple of handles like I do. Take some off. Okay? Nice job, Frank. Go to break even and leave it. Or trade it as you see fit. If you want to take all of it off, take it all off. Cha-ching. Money in the bank. If you took the ES, your first target is, there it is. Got it. Here comes what looks like the move back up into the day high, but we're still trading. Look, we're still trading into this rising 95. Order flow, guys, pay attention. We're trading into a rising 95, right? That's usually, statistically, probability-wise, going to be resistance. What we need, and we may not get it, again, with Europe closing at 12:30, is we need a pullback to bring these down, and then we slingshot back up through. So NASDAQ's next target up, if you're in that long, is 86. 86. Some of you guys are here. We got a couple of guys here on trial. Tuesday, I had a bad trade. It was a tough market. Just to reiterate, the bots were up Monday, 53.72. They were down Tuesday, 32.30, but up yesterday, 37.85, and up today, 3,015. I didn't trade well on Tuesday. The markets were tough. But I crucified them Monday, had a good day today, and annihilated them yesterday. Annihilated them. The afternoon session was amazing. Yeah, I'm going to definitely sell NASDAQ. I will definitely sell NASDAQ up here. 14,023. I will sell that three-fisted. Oh, 923 on the way down. I'll sell 023 if it gets back up there. I think it's going to. We've got kind of an oblong break, W break on the hourly. A little deeper pullback in two of those candles, but it looks like a W break. Again, small negative delta on the NASDAQ, 170, 180 contracts. ES, 9,500 positive delta. Trading into this resistance. We're not going anywhere in 30 net buyers, 15 net buyers in the ES. I mean, that's ludicrous. Complete absence of blocks. Which tells me this is largely retail. Block seller. 50 contracts. Nothing. Nothing. I mean, 50 is bare bones minimum, right, on the ES? NASDAQ is exactly flat on the day, fellas. Up a point. ES up 9.5. YM up 63, 64. EMD up 5.5. Russell up 12. Just looking at equities, Apple's off 50 cents. AMD down $3. Adobe down 50 cents. Amazon's up 28 bucks. Boeing down a bit. eBay up. Let's see. Microsoft down $1.66. We need some play with Microsoft. Nvidia down 19 cents. Now flat. Qualcomm down 14 cents. Tesla's up 10 bucks, 10 and change. Facebook's up. Netflix up 8 bucks. Nike's up. Anybody see that article about the CEO of Merck? Anybody see that? During the height of the pandemic, he sold $408 million worth of stock. What a guy, what a guy, what a guy. Come on, kidding me? Let's go, break it. All right, we took that last swing there. I mean, that, come on. All right, target one filled. 3 handles, fellas. Now we see if we can get a pullback, break even for me. I want to get VWAP. Let's call it 45. Final target, 45. Trade the runner as you see fit. It's building a bull flag on the 10-minute. Just FYI. 10 minutes of bull flag. Really would like to get VWAP here. Anybody short? Anybody short the ES? Got a buyer that just came in. 50. Out. It's not going long, guys. Nobody shorted? Okay. You guys all make too much money so far? All right, stack. Let me take a look at you. Okay, Chris. Is there anybody that has not made any money, guys? Do I have anybody not making money? Yeah, they did, Greg. Big block down there, too. Yeah, it's been a slow trade. It's been a really slow trade, but not our typical zinging around, but that's all right. I can live with a more normal volatility level. Sellers right back in, guys. The ES should come to VWAP. It should come down to VWAP. And NASDAQ is interesting. Lower high, if you look at the NASDAQ. So here's yesterday's high, right? Here's the high at 3:15 this morning. That's the high of the day, and a lower high here. Crude's not helping us. Fudge crude. Crude's pushing yesterday's high, I think. No, we're way above yesterday's high. Crude is pushing the high from today is Thursday, Tuesday? 102. Yeah, crude is long, guys. If you guys have ticks and you want to play with something crazy volatile, crude is long. Crude is long. It's pushing the high from Tuesday. If it breaks out here, we're gonna see 108. No, I won't be in it for 70 ticks of risk, dude. I promise you. I'll take first target at 36 if I can get it. Got to take this swing, and that's a no-brainer. So if you guys, come on, break this little swing. There it is. It broke. We should get it. Come on, Oompa Loompa. Got it. 14 to 36. We'll take it. Now I'm trading into the high of the day, final target. Final target. Yeah, I don't think I had a losing trade today. Did I have a losing trade today, fellas? I don't think so. I had one night, the ES I closed at break even in pre-market. If it takes me out, guys, with one tick, I don't really care. All right, buyers back into Crackhead. We got a bull flag building on the NASDAQ as well. Trying. Greg, did you short 23 on NASDAQ? What's your target? All right, out. Small winner. Big nothing burger, basically. Yeah, you're gonna get a little bit of support off of 915. There it goes. Those buyers didn't hold squat. I missed it. I forgot about it until I looked at the chart. ES finally going to get VWAP. Guys, anybody have any questions? Anything on the trades we've taken? Order flow? 7 seconds to 11 o'clock. I'll go over bot trades. And then I have order flow group at 12 o'clock. All right. Gold today took 2 trades. 2 trades, 2 winners. Short this morning at 757 and a long at 918. 2 trades, 2 winners on gold today. Crude took no trades today. Purple, 2 purple, no trades. Been in an uptrend all morning. ES took 1 trade today. Along at 10 o'clock, got target one only, 29 ticks, so 7 handles. That's it. Russell took 2 trades, both winners. Took trade number 1 at 9:51, all 3 targets hit. And trade number 2 at 10:42, targets 1 and 2 hit. Last but not least, the NASDAQ took 6 trades today. Trade number 1 at 6:51, target 1 only. Trade number 2 at 7:30, target 1 only. Trade number 3 was a losing trade, 8:09, flipped into a short, making trade number 4 a first and second target winner. Trade number 5, first and second target winners. That's, well, went to third, but for me, first and second. That's where I came out or shut my bots off on trade number 5. And trade number 6. So a total of 6 trades today. And that was another 24 handle winner and potentially can get 76 handles. Okay. No losing trades on the bot again. We had 1 losing trade yesterday. That was in the Russell. Bot total today, $3,015. Putting us at the week, 53.72.50 on Monday, 37.85 yesterday, 3015 today, minus 32.30 on Tuesday. The bot is now up $8,942.50 through 4 days. Anybody have any questions before I wrap it up? I will see everybody tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. We'll wrap up the week for my trials. Fridays are usually a fairly slow. I try to keep it an uneventful day. The goal is just to make money and be done for the week. We can't come back Saturday and get anything back. So I try to make money and get out of here. For my 12 o'clock order flow class, I have sent you guys the link. If you don't have it, you need to email me prior to 12 o'clock. Okay? My 1 o'clock guys, I'll see you in 2 hours. Order flow guys, I'll see you in about an hour. Be blessed, all of you. Have a great day. And Abe, if you're still in the room,